Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm here with my friend Stitch, Mr. Stitch, who is overheating because it's extremely hot right now. Yes, here we are with a new bike that I'm going to show you in a very short while. So this is Iscooter U4. The Iscooter U4 is built with simplicity and everyday commuting in mind. It features a 250 watt rear hub motor powered by a removable 36 volt 10.4 ampere hour battery. One of its standout features is the single speed drivetrain, so there are no gears to shift or maintain, just pedal and let the motor do the work. It also comes equipped with front suspension, front and rear disc brakes, integrated lights, a rear luggage rack, and an optional thumb throttle, making it an easy and practical e-bike for daily use. Mr. Stitch is going to help me in presentation. Hope you are okay with him. Me, I love him so much. And I think I'm going to give him treats so that he can give me sufficient help. Brandy. Hi, Stitchy. You want? You want the bigger thing? Oh, you're so cute. Let me give you some more so that you can feel nice. I tell you, this dog is a blessing. Oh, Stitchy Mitchy. As you can see, this is a very cool looking bike, although it already has my personal touches on it. And you can see here, we are ready to go out. We are all set to actually go and shoot the film about the bike outside in sharp situation. I want to talk about first about the specs, and it has 250 watt motor which goes up to 500 watts on peak. That means it has a set level of pedal assist. This is the pedal assist, this is the walking assist right now. Now this is pedal assist level 1, level 2 and level 3, as you can see. That's the maximum. When it is in unlocked form, it goes up to 18.6 miles an hour. That is the 500 watts peak power of the motor. When it is in locked form, it is going with 15.5 miles an hour. So that is the road legal set with 250 watts. From a different angle, you can see the bike looks a little bit tiny, but it also feels robust on the road. Why am I saying it? It is because it weighs 26.5 kilograms. It feels robust when you are riding on it and very stable, which is good. And also it is compact because it has folding points on the handlebar and here in the middle, so you can fold it into a small portable bike and you can put it in the hood of your car, or you can carry it with yourself on the train or buses when you go anywhere. This is a strong, portable and robust, budget-friendly e-bike. And also, what is really good, that it can take up to 120 kilogram weight. That's the max capacity. I am weighing 100, but this bike is comfortably taking me. I already took on test rides before. My little helper, Mr. Stitch, is back.
Hi, Stitchy.
What would you tell the people out there, Mr. Stitch?
He's saying he likes the U4 e-bike.
Yeah.
And he recommends everyone to buy it. Right, Stitchy? With a big smile on your face? Yes.
We decided to take a commercial break and come out to enjoy this weather because the clouds are now covering the sunset, the sunshine, so it's not as hot and we can come and test the bike when we have this beautiful weather. right now I'm going down without any pedal assist. It is actually good, it helps a lot. I still haven't turned it on yet. And because of the downhill, it takes me very nicely. Okay, let's go. I let the bike to take me with the incline feature. 4 miles an hour, 5 miles an hour, 6, 7 miles an hour, 8 miles an hour, 9, 9.6, 8, 6, 3. Well, I need some more speed. I need to gain more speed on this. So in order to reach that, I need to start pedaling. I am going to pedal up and use the throttle feature and see how everything will work together for my good. All right, now I gained already plenty of speed, 12, 13. Incline works just as fine. 20 degrees incline feature. So if you come a little bit closer, I show you that there is a button that you need to press on here. You see? This one. And it automatically falls out from the way and I can access the battery. It is removable. It has also a handle. So first I need to turn to off and then I need to turn to unlock position. As you can see, there is written unlock. And all I got to do is just pull this out. And the battery is in hand. The capacity is 36 volts and 10.4 ampere hour, which can help you to run fast and efficiently. So these are all that I mentioned earlier, and this is lithium-ion battery, which is very great. You can see here this red stripe. I put this here so that it can show me which one is the rear brake. The brakes came as left for the rear and right for the front. And that is not my own usual setup, so I had to swap it in order to avoid any accidents. And also, as the safety warning says, always rear brake first, I would generally go to the right handle, and when I press on it, it would just drop me down because that was connected to the front brake. So therefore I had to swap it for myself. It's for my own safety. But generally, all the Iscooter, all models are coming with the right setup. So right setup I mean is right handle, back brake, left handle, front brake. When you purchase a bike from Iscooter or iHoverboard, as in the U4 or any other model that they have, your bike should come with the setup as it is right now, the way I swapped it. When I press onto the right brake, you see the display, this sign appears here. That means the brake is on. There is this sign, this is for the battery level. I drained a little bit because we've been using it, but this is after the first charge. So this M button is for all the settings, and also this is where you turn it on or off. This plus button and the minus button is responsible for changing the level assist. For example, I press it now, level assist 1, 2, 3. That's the maximum. You can the same way with the minus button, you can decrease it. Moving on, this is your built-in throttle, which helps you to take you to the moon and back. I really enjoy it though, because the moment I turn it on, even if it is just for the basic setup as 3 miles an hour, this is level 1, right? So I don't do anything, I just press on and it starts moving off.
Whoa,
this is on level 1.
Really?
This is on level 1.
That's why I felt like I was about to fly when you forgot to put on level 1.
Level 2.
That's level 2 now?
This is level 2.
Oh, careful.
Let me try level 3.
Careful, careful. Don't stand upside
Don't
down.
worry.
Ooh.
It's very powerful. Let me show you how fast it can take you. As you can see, it is on 18.6 miles per hour. That's pretty much around 30 kilometers per hour.
So, like when you're riding, you need to continuously press it, or how?
Yes.
Oh.
If you want to keep the pace, you have to continuously press it. Otherwise, you can gradually brake or let the vehicle to stop by itself by just lowering the speed. Not even braking, it will eventually come into a stop. Guys, I never met a bicycle like this. It has no transmission. You can't change gear between level 1 or 7. Look, there is only one simple cassette. It is being operated by the motor, and that means it's very easy to run with. I showed this thing around earlier, but I didn't talk about it. So this is a leather saddle, which is very comfortable. It has very nice cushion, which makes the seating comfortable. And the riding experience is all along comfortable on it. Did I tell you that this is a foldable bike? I think I didn't. Let me just show you. You have one point here and one right here. Let me show you, because you will need a key to unlock the clips. First of all, this needs to be unlocked, and then from the below here, you have to press this little screw in here, and that's when it will be able to unlock and unfold. And then I have to unlock it here as well. I'm pressing that little screw inside, and in the meantime I'm pulling the arm bar to the back so that it will be able to fold. Don't worry, I'm adjusting the length for the wires so it won't break. Once this is folded, this is already unlocked here. Oh, I locked it back. No worries. Unlocking just takes 1 second, and then your bike is folded. Oopsie. But don't forget to close the kickstand before you do that. So that is how it looks when it is folded. Isn't it beautiful? And it's not even heavy. I mean, 26.5 kilogram, but it doesn't feel that way. It feels like it's maybe 20 kilo. Don't let the weight of the bicycle scare you, as the 26.5 kilograms is only there to protect you, protect your stability on the road. It is aluminum alloy frame, and it is step through, as you can see, very easy to get on or get off without having to raise your legs. And now I'm ready to depart. Also, the price is very budget friendly if you are considering it from the specs point of view. This is really worth it. And on top of that, we have £25 off just for you with our code LISANDATI25, all capitals. Thank you so much, Iscooter, for sponsoring this video with this bike, the U4. And for you guys, thank you so much for liking, sharing, commenting, and for buying this beautiful bike, the U4 from Iscooter. Thanks a lot for sticking to our channel. See you in our next video.